The Margao JMFC Court, in its order dated 30th October 2025, has acquitted all 22 accused persons in the 2012 Velim Church attack case. The court has observed that the prosecution has failed to prove the identity of any of the accused as being involved in the alleged incident, and that there was absolutely no evidence to prove the charges leveled against them. Let's recall the incident. This case pertains to an incident that occurred just days before the 2012 Goa Assembly elections. On February 25, 2012, a flying squad under the control of the district election officer conducted a search at the residence of the Parish Priest of St. Xavier Church at Velim. The committee members of the church had protested against the raid, leading to a tense law and order situation. Later that evening, police personnel from the special branch, then PSI Kapil Nayak, Head Constable Krishnanand Rane and Police Constable Kuldip Dessai visited the church premises allegedly to collect intelligence related to the assembly elections, but reportedly misbehaved with the parish priest. According to the police, 22 named accused persons along with the mob of around 150 unidentified individuals formed an unlawful assembly, armed with the deadly weapons, wrongfully confined the police staffs inside the church premises, and allegedly pelted stones and glass bottles at CRPF personnel who had arrived there to rescue the police staffs, causing injuries to the police and CRPF staffs. However, the trial court has observed that there is no evidence on record to show that the injuries were caused by any of the accused. The doctors who examined the injured personnel opined that such injuries could have occurred from a fall on the rough or hard surface, and therefore the injuries could not be attributed to the accused. The court has also observed that in 2016, at the initial stage of the trial proceedings itself, the prosecution had sought withdrawal of the case on the ground that the incident in question had occurred as a consequence of public resentment caused by the raid at the residence of the parish priest and subsequent late-night visit of the PSI Kapil Nayak and his staffs to the said premises. These circumstances clearly indicate that the genesis of the incident lay in the said police visit, thereby casting serious doubt on the foundation of the prosecution case itself, and the said accused are entitled for the benefit of doubt on this count itself. Hence, all the accused are acquitted. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.